Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Today we're at the Muscle Car and Corvette National, the greatest muscle car show on the planet. It's driving day, so we might have a little bit of audio issues, but we're going to have a great time in Rosemont, Illinois, the week before Thanksgiving. That said, I've got Jim with us. Jim, your last name?
Nossel, Nossel.
Jim, what year, make, and model is this one?
1969 Chevelle SS 396.
And you've had this one how long?
Since 1972.
A long time.
Long time.
Let me grab the camera and let's take a look at your featured attraction. Come right along. There, thank you. Now, first of all, what color is this car?
Azure Turquoise.
It's really a nice color. I mean, it has really a big blue hue to it, and it doesn't have as much green as I might think. Plus, you've had this since '72. How old were you back then? I mean, were you taking this to high school? What was happening here?
I bought this when I was a senior in high school.
Is that right? Wow, so it's your high school car.
Yes.
This was a cool car in high school. Yeah, you did that right. Wow. Now here's something, I just want to show those vents there. Are those functional or no?
No.
Oh, they're faux vents, right. But here's something interesting with your car that caught my attention. This does not have a vinyl top.
No.
What's going on here?
It's an original factory white painted top. The color is Dover white.
So you never took the top off?
No.
And yet it came that way.
That's how it came. Factory painted top.
How many times have you seen a factory painted top?
On this type of car, I've never seen another.
This is it.
Well, for me, I've never seen another.
Me neither.
Okay.
Let's come on back here. It's got such a nice style to it, such a nice look. I'm going to step back from it because I got a little spot here. Let me take a look at the overall side of the car and show people
It's getting better
that.
as the time goes on, but at first it was really bad.
Wow, that looks great. So with the white and the white, I mean, you drive this car.
I drive it occasionally now.
But you put it away for a while.
Yeah, it was in its storage. Once I got married, had kids, we got a station wagon, and this was in storage.
I'm sorry to hear that you had that station wagon for a while.
It was a Chevy station wagon.
Okay, well that's not too bad. All right, so because the station wagon versus this, now how did you decide? Let's open up the trunk, shall we? We've got a couple of pictures. And while you're doing that, I'm going to show some details here. That's telling you it's the real deal. Let's open up that trunk. That nice 396 right there. Now, who are these people in these pictures? Who's this guy?
That's me in my cabin gown graduating from high school in 1973.
Congratulations.
That's me and my mother and my father off to the side.
Got it.
And that's a picture about 1976. I had different wheels.
Nice, of course. Well, that was day two. That's what we did back then. You put the different wheels on it. Now, you've obviously restored this car, am I correct?
Yes.
How long did the restoration take?
Approximately 6 years.
Wow.
I waited until I was retired and started working.
I got it. Well, you did a good job on this one. This one looks brand spanking new. All right, we'll close that. I'm going to open up the door, may I? Tell me what this is right here. Tell me what we have right here.
These are stickers that are from the 1970s that my father was a member of these groups, so we put them on the car back then.
Got it. We'll open that up for a moment. Now we've got the SS on the door with the 396 right there. You can see that. We have, I'm going to grab, do you have a light on your phone? Yeah, if you could grab that for just a second. There we go, I'll take that, thank you. I wanted to show that we've got the right amount of pedals and the Hurst shifter. Now, did it come with that? The 8-track? Did it come with the 8-track?
Come with the 8-track? Yeah.
Came with the 8-track. There's that SS 396 again. Also the Astro ventilation, as you can see there. Let me just do that. It's got a nice gauge cluster. Well, I am glad. Let's open up the hood, shall we?
All right.
I'm glad that it's back out. How many years have you had it out?
Since October 2021.
Okay, so not too long.
February 2021.
Do you bring it to many shows?
Occasionally. This
Okay.
is the biggest show I've ever been to.
Oh, muscle car and Corvette National is just so good. I want to just feature this. Let's get a chance to take a look at all the details here. Delco battery. Is that a smog pump or what is that right
Yeah,
there?
smog pump. You had to have a smog pump with a standard transmission in 1969.
Okay. So everything is done, even the markings on the firewall, just like it used to be. Really well done, Jim. Well, it's time for us to fire it up, shall we?
Oh, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. We'll wait for it. Let's step on the brakes for a second. Jim, try to give it another kick down. Kick down.
Sticker from Baltimore's Harbor Tunnel, and you had to have that, and you gave them coupons to get through the tunnel instead of paying cash.
Is that right?
In the 70s, early 70s.
In the early 70s.
So that was a precursor to the Easy Pass.
There you go. Well, Jim, thanks for bringing your car out. Thanks for being on My Car Story. What a treat to have you.
Thank you very much. I'd like to say one more thing. I'd like to thank Michael Klausmeyer for painting this car.
Well, he did a great job.
He's the one who painted this car so nicely.
Very
I want
nice.
to thank him while I can.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.